How does new car replacement auto insurance work? Imagine buying a brand new car and hoping it stays perfect forever. But accidents happen, and sometimes your new car gets totaled. That's where new car replacement auto insurance comes in. It's an optional coverage that can save you from losing money when your new vehicle is declared a total loss. This coverage is usually available for cars that are less than 1 to 5 years old and have under a certain mileage, often between 15,000 and 24,000 miles. You need to be the original owner, and your vehicle must have both comprehensive and collision coverage. These are the basic requirements to qualify. When your car is involved in an accident or stolen and declared a total loss, your insurer will pay to replace it with a new one of the same make and model. Sometimes, they will even replace it with the same or next model year. Instead of paying you the actual cash value, which considers depreciation, they pay the full replacement cost minus your deductible. This means you don't lose money because your car's value drops as soon as you drive it off the lot. Some policies include additional benefits like gap coverage. Gap coverage pays the difference between what you owe on your loan or lease and the actual cash value of the car. This helps if you owe more than the car is worth after an accident. It's especially helpful for new cars because they depreciate quickly. To get this coverage, you usually need to add it within a few months of buying your car. It applies only if your vehicle is a current or upcoming model year. You will pay a premium for this extra protection, and your deductible still applies. Both collision and comprehensive coverage are necessary for the new car replacement to be valid. This coverage is perfect for people who want to protect their investment early on. If your new car gets totaled, you can replace it with a new one without worrying about depreciation or losing money. Whether you own your car outright or have a loan, this coverage ensures you get a new vehicle of the same make and model. In short, new car replacement auto insurance works by paying to replace your totaled new vehicle with a brand new one of the same make and model within a certain time frame after purchase. It helps you avoid financial setbacks caused by depreciation and gives peace of mind. Just remember, you need to have both collision and comprehensive coverage, meet the vehicle age and mileage requirements, and add the coverage early in your ownership.